Do you struggle getting enough protein in your diet? I certainly do. And that's exactly why I created this keto protein mousse that is so delicious, versatile, and really easy to make. The first thing you want to do is grab your heavy cream and pour it into your bowl. Make sure it is chill. Next, grab your portable milk frother and we're just gonna whisk this and add a little air to it. If you don't have a milk frother though, you can use a mixer, but this is just so much easier to clean and it's really handy. So if you're gonna be making this recipe regularly, definitely get yourself one. I've linked it down below and honestly, they're not very expensive. They would be pretty good Christmas stocking stuffers or even presents for Hanukkah or whatever holiday you celebrate. They make great presents. So when you start to see that it's really bubbling up at the top, that's when you want to stop. We're going to grab our protein powder now and just kind of coat the top a bit. Put it to the side, and now we're gonna mix that together. Now that that's done, we're gonna add the rest and just keep on mixing. Okay, that's really starting to thicken up. That's exactly what you want. But before we finish it off, we are going to add some collagen peptides. This is totally optional. You don't have to, but I love to because it adds an instant 10 grams of protein. You don't really taste it, so it's kind of sneaky 10 grams of protein. Plus, it's really good for your hair, skin, and nails. Why my hair is so long, honestly, it's because of this protein powder and it tastes like nothing. So easy peasy, add it in there. We're almost there, I promise. So now what we're gonna do is just grab a spoon and just scrape the sides to make sure we don't have any powder on the side that's going to kind of stick, because you don't want to be getting a clump of protein powder or a clump of collagen while you're eating your beautiful dessert. That would not be very tasty. Let's go ahead and finish that off until it forms peaks. So with the peaks are nice and stiff, that's exactly what you want. You're gonna grab yourself a glass, or I guess you can just eat it out of the bowl, but I wanna make it look nice. So you're gonna grab a glass and we're just going to spoon it into our glass. Oh, it looks so good. You're also getting some good fats from that cream, especially if you use grass-fed, grass-finished cream. You're gonna get some really great health benefits from that. Now, if you are lactose intolerant and you really can't handle cream, there are some dairy-free alternatives out there. You can get like coconut cream, but I found that this is just really the best. Now, for the finishing touch, we're gonna take some cacao nibs and just sprinkle them on top for a little bit of a crunch. Great. You can also use keto-friendly chocolate chips for this as well if you don't like cacao nibs, but either one works. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.